Dear friends, welcome to Study at Bengaluru YouTube channel, a right place for a bright future. Today, let me discuss about how to prepare for CET 2025. Dear students, this is the time to prepare for CET aggressively. Before going ahead, dear friends, please subscribe the channel so that you will not miss upcoming videos and many important news related to your career. Are you ready to conquer CET 2025 and secure a seat in your dream college? Let me make your journey exciting, effective, and unstoppable. Dear students, trust me, if you follow just 6 steps to prepare for CET, you will succeed and 100% sure you will get a wonderful seat in a wonderful college. Myself, Umesh Kumar N, representing Study at Bengaluru. I am heading the operations of Study at Bengaluru YouTube channel. Dear students, number one is preparation. Even for preparing a food, you need to start preparing whatever is required, raw items you need to get ready, right? It is same thing. Preparation is the key. Start early to build a solid foundation. Create a study plan that covers all subjects and gives enough time for your revisions. Number two, understand the syllabus and pattern, right? This is very important. Know your battlefield. You are ready to battle, ready for a battle, right? Exam is nothing but a battle. So know your battlefield, study the syllabus and exam pattern thoroughly. Focus on high weightage topics for maximum efficiency. Point number 3 is practice, and again practice, right? This is what most important. See, mock test, you will get multiple mock test opportunities. Maybe many colleges, universities, they conduct mock test, right friends? So please attend all the possible mock tests. See, when you attend more mock tests, the practice automatically happens and regularly to improve your speed and accuracy. Analyze your performance to identify weak areas. So surely mock test will help you, my dear friends. My dear friends, time management is the most important thing to attend your exams and prepare for your exam. Learn to manage your time effectively during the exam. Prioritize easy questions and don't get stuck on any tricky ones, right? So please make sure that you manage the timing very well. Number 5, stay healthy and motivated. It is very important, my dear friends. See, it is not that you score 100 out of 100 or you score less. Forget all these things. First thing, stay healthy. Have a wonderful breakfast, have a very good sleep, and get motivated by yourself. Nobody will motivate you, my dear friends. Exam is nothing but a next level. You need to go and study and get the exam passed with distinction. Whatever it is does not matter. But when you stay fit, your exams will be easy and your focus will be good and you will be self-motivated, right? Your mind needs fuel to perform. Yes or no? Please comment in the comment section. Stay healthy, take breaks and celebrate progress. You enjoy yourself. Nobody come and appreciate you, right? So you appreciate yourself. You think that today I have done the great job, right? Stay motivated yourself. Believe in yourself. That is very important, dear friends. You are the best, and surely I am sure if you are healthy and motivated, your CET exam is nothing. Dear students, point number 6, it may be a last, but it is the best. I will tell you, always go with the expert tips and tricks. That is very important to score very well. Seek guidance from mentors or join crash courses if possible for expert tips and tricks, right? A little help can go a long way, and I'm sure all these 6 points together you will succeed and 100% you will get your dream college. Your dream college awaits, my dear friends. Go and grab it, go and get it. This is the best chance. Don't waste your time. Wish you all the very best. Thank you. Bye bye.